it's about parabola question. So for the equation of the parabola, we have to know, x minus h squared is equal to 4p times y minus k. I can say it here by looking at this equation. So how can I rewrite in this form? X squared minus 10x could be written x minus 5 squared. Why? In front of the x there is 10. If we use the perfect square, always we take the half of 10, which is 10 over 2 is 5. And then it will be x squared minus 10x plus 10. One more time, x squared minus 10x plus 10. But we don't have plus 10, so I have to subtract this 10 here. And then on the right hand side, 21 and 40, if I say 20 common parentheses, I think I can say that it will be y minus 2, right? 20y minus 40. So, but let me first of all take this 10 the other side, which means, so let me clean this part. So better. Oops. Firstly, first let's take this 20y minus 40 here, so x minus 5 squared will be 20y minus 40 plus 10, which will be x minus 5 squared equals 20y minus 30. And then if I take this one, which one is it common? It's 10 is common, right? Or let's take 20 common parentheses, it's better. So if I take this 20 common parentheses, y minus 30 over 20, right? 20 times 30 over 20, it will be. So it will be 20 times y minus 3 over 2. That's good. Now, x minus 5 squared is equal to 20 times y minus 3 over 2. I can say that vertex is equal to 5 comma 3 over 2. How we write this? So we take the opposite sign of this and we put it here. And we take the opposite sign of negative 3 over 2, we put it here. And then we should say that 4p, which is here in the formula, is equal to 20 in this case. So p is equal to 20 over 4, which will be p is equal to 5. When p is equal to 5 greater than 0, parabola is upward. We know this. So let me clean this part. So I couldn't clean. Okay, I can do it here. So when I draw my parabola, I can understand where is the focus, where is the directrix. I can do this. So let me do it like this. If I draw approximately, okay, not exactly, approximately, xy coordinate system. Now vertex is 5 comma 3 over 2, so x is 5 if it is here, approximately, again I'm saying, and 3 over 2, which will be here. Okay, this point, now 3 over 2. And then parabola is upward, so it will be something like that. It will be, if the parabola is here, the focus point must be somewhere here. So how can I find the focus point? I just add to y component of the vertex p unit, which means here for the focus point I can say that it will be here 1 point, and I have to add 3 over 2, which is the y component of the vertex, 3 over 2 plus p, which means 3 over 2 plus 5. So 5 times 2, 10 plus 3, 13 over 2. So 6.5 approximately. So when y value of the focus is 13.2, it's clear that its x component is 5. So the focus point 5 comma 13 over 2. And then vertexes we set, which is here, and focus we set, and axis of symmetry. And don't forget the axis of symmetry is directly here. Let me show you here. Directly here, where the focus and the vertex is passing this line. So x is equal to 5 axis of symmetry. This is also finished. And I need the directrix. So what is directrix? Directrix is from the vertex, okay, here in this case to the down, p units down. So you know that for the vertex y value was 3 over 2 minus p, which is 3 over 2 minus 5. So 3 minus 10, right? So minus 7 over 3. One more time. Let me check it. Equalizing by 2, 2 times 5, 10, 3 minus 10. 3 minus 10, negative 7 over 2. Yeah, negative 7 over 2, which will be approximately, yeah, approximately negative 2 point something. So now I will say that y is equal to negative 7 over 2 is my directrix. Okay, so here somewhere, let's say, will be my directrix. So one more time, from directrix to the vertex, from vertex to focus, these distances are equal to each other. Okay, am I right? Do you have any question? No question, right? So 3 over 2 minus 5 with 1 with 2, 2, 5, 10, 3 minus 2, 5, 10, 3 minus 10 is negative 7 over 2. That's it. Thank you for listening and watching. I hope everything is clear.